Welcome back to Exotic Cars. Today we are looking at the new Creta 2020 facelift. It is the SX model. This is the key of the Creta. We get in this key we get a lock, unlock, boot opener, and at the front we get the LED daytime running lights. They are floating lights, and here we get the 3 projector setup. 2 are for low beam and 1 is for high beam, and here we get a fog lamp and the indicator housing skid plate, towing hook of the car, and we get a big huge grill, and its surrounding grill is finished in the chrome, and in middle part it is finished in the gunmetal finish, and here is the big logo of Hyundai. Length of the Creta SX is the length to 4300 and the width is 1790 mm and the height is 1635 mm. And next we get alloy wheels, and tire section is 215 by 60 R17. These are silver color finished alloy wheels. Front we get a disc brakes, and here is the side cladding. These are the auto foldable mirrors, and here we get inserted LED indicators, and here is the pedal lamp, and the door handles are finished in the chrome finish, and here we get roof rails. These are roof rails, and we get a shark fin antenna, and at the back these are the LED tail lamps. These are LED, and here is the reverse parking light, and this is the reflector, and back also we get a skid plate finished in gunmetal finish. Here is Creta, and the logo. Here we get a mounted stop light, and in Creta SX we get a rear wiper defogger, and here is the inserted spoiler. It is finished in the piano black side, and here you get a silver color finish. Let's see the boot space. Here we get a magnetic button, and there are 2 lights and the camera, and it is a hydraulic boot opener. Here we get a partial tray, and it is a total 433 liters of boot space, and underneath we get a spare tire. Here is the grab handle to close the boot. This is the fuel opener, and this is the basically diesel engine. Fuel capacity is 50 liters of this Creta. At backside we get sun blinds. These are sun blinds, and here we get power windows, and the door openers are finished in the silver. Here we get a speaker, and here are the 1 liter bottle holder and a cup holder, and there is a decent amount of space at the back. 3 seat belts with the 3 points, and ISOFIX child seat mounts, and the rear armrest. At rear we get adjustable headrest, and in this Creta we get here we get wiper controls, washer control, and the wiper control. Here we get headlight controls, turn indicators, and this is the instrument cluster of the Creta. It is analog. Here is the tachometer, and here is the speedometer, and here is the fuel meter, and there are tilted lights, and it is the 23 centimeter touchscreen. Here we get a AC vents, media controls, and this is the automatic AC control, and here is the hazard light switch, and here we get a 12 volt power socket and 1 USB, and here is the charging port, and this is the wireless charger gear. It is finished in the piano black and the chrome and silver finish, and this is the camera views. Here we get a navigation system, inbuilt navigation system, and here we get 2 cup holders, handbrake, and this is the armrest. Below the armrest we get a storage space, and here we have a big glove box with the cooled option. It is cooled glove box. In this new Creta we get two 6 airbags, ABS, EBD, and electronic stability control, and vehicle stability management, and the speed alert system, and auto link technology. Get a manual day night mirror, and here we get a sunglass holder, and these are for light, and here we get a panoramic sunroof. At front we get for driver side we get only receipt holder, and co-driver side we get mirror, and there is no light in this. This is for traction control and headlamp leveler and push start stop button, and where we get steering mounted controls. These are for media control, and these are for cruise control. These are for call pickup and the decline option, and steering can be adjusted, and here we get a seat adjustment. These are manually adjustable seats, and here we get I think this is a fuse box, a clutch pedal, and there is also a dead pedal. Here we get a hood opener, and here is the fuel opener. This is the diesel engine. Here it is written the CRDI 16 valve, and the 1.5 liter diesel engine, 114 horsepower at 4000 rpm, and the 250 newton meter torque, and it is the manual transmission. The insulation here underneath we get a body protection, engine protection cover,